Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to bypass Family Link on your child's Samsung Galaxy A53. So open Settings, scroll down, choose Google, manage your Google account, get started, click Data and Privacy and scroll very down. Choose Delete your Google account and confirm your password. Cool, now click Next. Scroll down, choose I understand, scroll down, choose Yes, and choose Delete account. So that's all. Google account was successfully deleted and all my applications was successfully recovered, unlocked, and that's all. You can recover your Google account during 14 days, and that's all. Now you can delete parental controls from your device. Just tap and hold on it and click uninstall button. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and see you. Bye!